Why, hello there. My name is Collin. I'm your Tired Millennial Chef, and today we are making pimento cheese, but this is a super easy, very simple version. You don't even need cream cheese for it. This is my great Aunt Vina's recipe, and I hope you enjoy. Jump to recipe. First thing you're going to do is start with a bowl, and then you're going to add 2 cups of shredded cheese. I usually use cheddar, but whatever you prefer would work. Good enough. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then we're going to add 1 4-ounce jar of diced pimentos, drained. And then we're going to add half a cup of mayonnaise. Now this is the secret. Instead of cream cheese, for your binder and thickening, you're going to be using club crackers, but any kind of cracker will do. You're going to use about 8 or 9 of those. Just crush them. And that really is it. I'm going to add a little bit of additional seasoning. You just kind of season the taste as you like. I like salt, pepper. Always garlic powder. A little dash of onion powder. And then if you want to add a little heat, you can use cayenne, or in this instance, what I have on hand is some of this pepper juice. Put in there for a quick punch. Then you just take your hand mixer and you basically blend it until the consistency is what you're looking for. Now this is perfect. As you see, some of that cheese has kind of broken up a little as well. You've got pimento cheese. And there you have it. That's it. Super simple, super easy. Like I said, I like to take some of it, throw it on a bit of toast, and you have yourself a pimento cheese sandwich. You're all set and good to go. So good. Oh, hey, little bite. Oh boy.